Okay, so now we're going to be talking about test recording and test record sheets. So, Shaun, show us what you got there.
What I have in my hand is the NECA electrical installation test record sheet. Depending on what state you're in, these may be required. These are also a great tool if you're a little bit lacking on your testing skills, as it literally spells it out what tests you need to do. You need to make sure that when you put your test records in, that these values that you put in actually comply with the Australian standards as well.
It's a good way of keeping track of what you've been testing as well, so you can go through circuit by circuit to make sure you're doing all the tests that are required on that job too. So it helps you make sure all the tests are complete, like a checklist as well.
It's also good proof for any potential future problems that could arise from the work that you have done. Say another electrician has gone through, or a homeowner has done a bit of DIY on the installation that you've done, has disconnected the earth, or the earth connection is no longer as good as what it used to be. There's an incident, at least you can refer back to your test record sheet and say that you have tested that and the values complied with Australian standards.
Yeah, we had an incident where one member actually installed the wiring to a new house and completed the work, did a CCW, and they completed the electrical test sheet. A contractor came in after and put in underfloor heating, which overloaded the switchboard, and it caught on fire and burnt half the house down. And the electrician was able to prove that they weren't part because of their test record sheet as well. So, really important key aspect.
I filled one of these out for every test I've done over the last 15 years, and there's not a day I would not fill out a test record sheet just to prove that I've actually done the required test that I need to do.
What's the other one you got there?
The other test sheet I have here is a residual current device test sheet. This will allow you to do the push button operations. This will also allow you to record your milliamp and your millisecond times on your 0 to 180 on your curve.